Welcome to Science Excel, where our motto is to enhance the learning curve. In today's tutorial, let me introduce you to carbon and its compounds. In our everyday life, we come across many objects like a pencil, book, soap, toothpaste, bread, etc. Is there anything common between all of these? Would it surprise you if I said yes? The element that is common between all these is carbon. I'm sure you are thinking, if all these materials are made up of a common element, why do they look different? Let us explore. The element carbon has several interesting properties. It is capable of forming bonds with most of the elements. This is why carbon compounds are quite commonly found everywhere. An interesting fact is that even though carbon is the fourth most abundant substance in the universe, it accounts for less than 1% in the Earth's crust and in the atmosphere. It occurs in different forms in nature with widely varying physical properties called as allotropes of carbon. The well-known allotropic forms of elemental carbon are graphite, diamond and fullerene. Now, can you tell me what are the chemical properties of the elements based on? Yes, you are right if you said they are mainly based on their atomic numbers. Carbon has an atomic number of 6. That means its electronic configuration is 2 and 4. Now, to achieve stability, will carbon gain 4 electrons or will it donate 4 electrons? Well, the simplest way to achieve the octet state will be by sharing electrons by forming covalent bonds with other elements to make carbon compounds. Hence, carbon is tetravalent, which means it has 4 valence electrons and can form 4 covalent bonds with not only other atoms but other carbon atoms as well. This property is called tetravalency of carbon. Carbon has the unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. This property is called catenation. These compounds may have long chains of carbon, branched chains of carbon, or even carbon atoms arranged in rings. The carbon-to-carbon bond is very strong and hence stable. This gives us a large number of compounds with many carbon atoms linked to each other. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of carbon and its compounds in our next tutorial.